It's now been more than 5 weeks since Maria slammed into Puerto Rico, and Awilda Melendez is still without power.
I don't wish this to my worst enemy. There's been so many people that died.
Tonight, Whitefish Energy, the tiny Montana company awarded the largest contract to rebuild the island's decimated power grid, is under fire. San Juan's mayor questioning the transparency around the $300 million deal. The company initially asking, "Do you want us to send our workers back or keep working?" It later apologized and reaffirmed its commitment to Puerto Rico. Whitefish insists its ability to mobilize quickly and perform highly specialized work got the company the job. It now has more than 300 contractors like Bob Burton on the island.
The terrain and the logistics of moving things around. The terrain is extremely difficult here.
Whitefish, Montana is the hometown of U.S. Interior Secretary Ryan Zinke, though his office says he had nothing to do with the contract. A founding partner of a private equity firm that finances Whitefish donated thousands of dollars to the Trump campaign. Top Democrats now demanding an investigation as they ask for more federal aid.
That this next bill will be very, very substantial, not at the mercy of cronyism and incompetence, as I believe the Whitefish contract was.
Today, Puerto Rico's Financial Oversight Board said it would appoint an emergency manager to oversee the bankrupt power utility which approved the Whitefish contract.
I don't have an objection to a collaboration. I do have an objection to a takeover.
The governor is calling that appointment a case of federal overreach. About 3/4 of this island remains in the dark. The death toll here is up to 51, including 2 more cases of a rare bacterial disease after the storm. Lester.
All right, Gabe Gutierrez in San Juan, Puerto Rico for us. Thanks. Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.